Okay, hi everyone. My name is Kelly Snook. We have been doing a tour through the Rex white paper. I wanted to take a moment out of that tour to delve a little bit more deeply into an underappreciated strategy for earning 5% of every dollar you put into Rex auction. This could actually act like a 5.25% daily ROI if you do it right. So I just wanted to talk about how this works and show you an example so that you can try it yourself. I recorded most of the original white paper tour before Rex had launched, but now that Rex has launched and we see all of the excitement that's being generated and we see everyone being so excited about big paydays, they're asking their question, why should I get Rex from auction when it is cheaper on PancakeSwap, and also people not sure they're going to win a big payday, so why would it be worth it? Well, this is another reason why it's worth it, and I just want to highlight it so that everyone knows that cross-referring two wallets can essentially be a 5% daily ROI money printer if you're putting money into auction every day. So let's take a look. The basic ingredients are at least 2 wallet addresses on Binance Smart Chain with sufficient BNB for gas. That's usually around 0.02 BNB to be safe in each wallet so that you can do all of the transactions that need to be done here. You'll need an initial investment in BUSD of at least $180. I put 200 just to be clear here. The minimum for entering into auction in any given wallet is $100 BUSD. You'll need 10 MREX, and MREX is available on PancakeSwap or KuCoin with this address. You could do it with 5 MREX for this particular part of the rewards that I'm going to show you, but for really good reasons you'll want 5 MREX in each of 2 wallets. You'll need at least 1 T-Rex, although you'll need a T-Rex, but you won't actually need it for this part of the protocol. You'll need it for the later part when you do the staking, but you can also actually do this part of the process without a T-Rex, unless you want to put more than 50,000 into auction at one time from one wallet, in which case a T-Rex will let you put 100,000 in. And then of course you'll need access to a computer or a phone that supports MetaMask or other Rex supported wallets. I've never used anything but MetaMask, so I don't exactly know which other wallets are supported, but you can try it yourself. So how does this work? The strategy takes advantage of IMREX's rewards that it generates and referral rewards. So the way it works is that if a referred address holds IMREX, it receives up to 5% of the BUSD that a referring wallet sends in. So it gets 1% for every MREX held, up to 5% for 5 MREX. This reward is delivered at the moment the referring wallet submits its BUSD into auction. And what this means is that the referred wallet receives its BUSD in time to turn right around and submit that referred BUSD into auction. And that generates an additional 5% that can be delivered to whatever wallet it refers. So this can cascade indefinitely until 5% of 5% of 5% becomes too small to make a difference to you. And so today we're just going to start with 2 wallets and show you how that works. So the 2 wallet 5.2625% play. We cross-refer 2 of your own wallets and earn a bunch of money. So here's what you do. You split your initial BUSD investment in half. You put half of that in each wallet into, let's say, wallet A and wallet B. You ensure that each wallet holds 5 MREX. This obviously will work best if both wallets have 5 MREX each. It can also work if only the referred wallet has the 5 MREX, but you will rob yourself of additional 10% of REX if you try and do this with only 5 MREX instead of 10. I'll show that a little bit later. Using wallet B's address as the referral, when you're in wallet A, you submit the first half of your investment into auction. that will generate 5% of that BUSD in referrals to Wallet B's dashboard. So you can switch over to Wallet B. You'll find that 5% BUSD just sitting there waiting to be claimed. So you can claim that and then put that larger amount of BUSD into auction using Wallet A's address as the referral. Then you can switch back to Wallet A and claim your winnings and either save them for the next day's auction because you can't enter 2 auctions on one day, or you can send that BUSD to a third wallet and continue the cascade. So today we're just going to show 2 wallets, but you can definitely extrapolate and see how this could work for multiple wallets. Okay, so let's look at an example. Here we have an example where we have Wallet A and Wallet B. We've taken 5,000 BUSD. We split it between 2 wallets, Wallet A and Wallet B. They each have 2,500 BUSD, and they both have 5 MREX. They also incidentally both have 1 TREX, at least 1 TREX, which comes in handy later when we're staking what we get from auction here. So you'll see both wallets have the 5 MREX and 2,500 BUSD to start with. Okay, so let's start with Wallet A. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our auctions page and we're going to put in Wallet B's referral address. We're going to stake the full amount, but we need Wallet B's referral address. We're going to go over to Wallet B, get the referral address. That means when we come back, we'll have to enter in our amount again, but just copy the address of Wallet B. And then go back to Wallet A and enter in, first maybe put the user address in there. So that's Wallet B's user address. And put in 2,500 and then send that BUSD to auction. Now what we'll see here is that once this transaction goes through, if we flip over to Wallet B, we will see that looking at the dashboard, as soon as that transaction is successful, if we refresh, we will have a present in Wallet B of 125 BUSD, which is ready to claim, and we can claim that immediately. That is 5% of $2,500. So now, if we look at what's in, once this goes through, this $2,500 here in Wallet B is going to turn into $2,625. And then we can take that $2,625 and we can turn right around and we can put that into auction. Now remember, we need to go back to Wallet A to get the Wallet A's referral address. It's always good to just check that you're in the wallet you think you're in. You can do that in the upper right hand corner there. So put in Wallet A's referral and then put in 2,625 and send that to auction. And boom, Bob is your uncle. So we have now successfully gone into auction in both wallets. Wallet B has put in more than Wallet A because it contained those extra rewards. And then Wallet A now again has some more money. So we've printed another 131.25 BUSD that you can now use to pay your bills, or you can send that to a third wallet to put that into auction, and that could go on indefinitely until you run out of wallets, or you run out of MREX, or you run out of time, or the amount is too small to bother with. For me, I like to take that as just money that goes into the daily amount that I pull out to fiat to pay my bills. So that's just really nice and really exciting, because not only do we have way more than 5,000 that we've put into auction. You can see here that this says 3,000 here. Why is that? That's because when we put this $2,500 into auction in this wallet also had 5 MREX, so we got an extra 10% for using a referral address and an extra 10% above that for having 5 MREX. So that means instead of $2,500 worth of REX that we're going to get, we get $3,000 worth of REX in this wallet. And in the other wallet, we get even more because that other wallet started with more than $2,500. So that means that not only do we have that extra BUSD that we've just won, but we also tomorrow will get $6,125 worth of REX instead of $5,000 worth of REX. So that is the really, really powerful impact of making use of two self-referred wallets when you're putting an investment into auction. You'll see here down there's also a little green check mark next to eligible for big paydays. That's not what my mouse is doing, but that's what I'm going to talk about right now. What that means is, and obviously you'd want both of these wallets to be qualified for big paydays, because then you get 6,125 BUSDs worth of REX free, because when you win a big payday, you will get all of that REX for free. And obviously, you won't win necessarily on the very first day after this. You wouldn't win big paydays on both. Well, you could win big pays on both wallets, but eventually you're highly likely to win big payday on both of these wallets at least once, if not multiple times. So here is a way to print yourself some BUSD, get some free REX, and be ready to move forward. So thank you for listening to this little video on how to earn 5.25% daily ROI in REX. And I really hope you use this strategy. So that means you won't be using my referral address. But if you do want to use my referral address to thank me for teaching you this amazing trick, then you can find my referral address below this video. Okay, lots of love. And we will be returning now to our regularly scheduled REX white paper tour.